Hi everybody, my name is Cheryl Hernandez and I'm going to be your instructor for this course. I have taught this course many times. I enjoy it very much. There's a few housekeeping items I wanted to go over with you. So the first is you're going to have a discussion due every Thursday by midnight. So at 11:59 p.m., that assignment is due. At midnight or after, it's late. Discussions are a conversation that you're having with your classmates. I expect that you will take that seriously and not just write one or two sentences. I want robust and descriptive communication. Your classmates are going to reply to you, and you're going to reply to at least two other discussion posts. So if you're late submitting your initial post, that doesn't give your classmates time to have a nice, crucial discussion with you. What I would like is for you to submit your initial post on time, which is Thursday by 11:59, and your two discussion posts to your classmates by Sunday at 11:59. All your other assignments will also be due on Sunday by 11:59 p.m. Anything else is going to be late, okay? So please consider there may be a time difference. Don't wait till the last second to submit your work. The other thing is I want to make sure that you write ample dialogue in all of your papers and your discussions. I've been in college before. I know that in some classes it's allowed to write. I agree with them. Agreed. And write one or two sentences. That is not going to work for this course. I need to see that you're putting forth effort and writing some considerable exchange of dialogue to your peers. And in your papers, please make sure that you're writing substantial, again, well written, organized information. You want to use citations in all your papers. Even if it doesn't ask for it, I promise you the grading rubric will discuss that it needs citations. So not only writing a reference page at the last page, but you want to actually cite the work. So if you're looking at an article, you want to make sure that if you're discussing what the article says, that you put comma, the author's last name, apostrophe, and then the date, the year, and then another parentheses. So it should say parentheses Hernandez, comma 2025 parentheses. So if you have any questions, you can go on Shapiro. I've provided you with links. I've given you tips to help with your papers. Also, you want to make sure you have a reference page. These papers need to be very detailed. You're going to use the same topic from 2.2 all the way to 7. Sometimes people get a little bit confused when we start talking about the social sciences at length and they start changing their topic to the social science instead. You're going to want to relate the social science to your topic. So if your topic is homelessness, then you should be writing about homelessness in relation to the social sciences throughout your whole paper, okay? Um, 7, you won't have a discussion due in Learning Module 7, but you will have your final project done. And what I'm asking is that you really take the time to go back and look at all the grading feedback I have provided you, because you're going to get graded again. It's kind of like a scaffolding, like it's a culmination of all of your papers together. So it's going to be 2.2 combined with all the rest of them to make a final paper in Learning Module 7. So you want to make sure you go back and fix any mistakes. I'll give you some hints, but if you don't go back and fix them, then you're going to get graded on that negatively again. So you want to make sure that that is taken care of. So there's that. If you need to get a hold of me, please email me. I check my email constantly. My email is c.hernandez1@snhu.edu. If you're going to submit an assignment late, please have a discussion with me, and we'll talk about it. And I hope you have a wonderful semester. Again, make sure you read your feedback and read your grading rubrics. It's very important to know what you're graded on. If it's really a guideline on exactly how to earn a great grade if you go on your grading rubric. I hope you have a wonderful semester. Thank you.